So the last of our date functions is one called last day. And this is kind of the opposite of date truncate. So date truncate was giving us the beginning of a time period, where last day will give us the last day of the time period. Let's go ahead and explore this together. So we're going to use the function last day. And then you can see that this function is slightly different than some of the previous, where we actually give it first the field name. So we're going to start with create a date, and then we're going to give it the date part. So in this case, let's give it month, and then we're going to call this month and date, because what I'm expecting this to give us is the last day of the month. Let's go ahead and run this. And if we scroll over here, what you'll see here is if created month, when we did truncate, gives you the beginning, you can see that last day gives you the final day of the date period. So you get 11/30. Now if we change this once again to year, what I'm expecting is 12/31 across the board. So when we rerun that, lo and behold, we get the last day of the year for the created date. So very powerful if you're doing month-end reporting, but you don't want to have to try to figure out what the last day of the month is for things like February and leap year. So very powerful function, not only for displaying reports, but also for evaluating end of month dates.